not alone in your married life because this is what God has planned from the very beginning. That one is prepared for the other.
Jessie, mahal ko. Unang-unang sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord sa maganda at wonderful moment na to. Lord, thank you so much. Indeed, God works in mysterious ways. Mahal, alam natin na hindi naging madali ang relationship natin. Kahit most of the time LDR tayo, kahit we have our differences, and may mga flaws din tayo, eto tayo. Eto tayo ngayon, magkasama at magkasangga.
Kanina nung naglalakad ka, muntik na ako maiyak kasi may umiiyak sa gilid eh. Nadadala ako eh, hindi talaga ako iyak syempre. Pero masaya ako. Kanina nung nakita kita naglalakad, sabi ko ang swerte ko. Ang swerte mo pala. Ay, baliktad. Ang swerte ko pala, maganda, matalino at mabait.
Going to be stronger when you let God be the center of your relationship. God is going to be the center of your married life.
Mahal, I vow to hold your hands in hardest days and in your greatest adventure.
So this day is God's chosen day for the two of you to be joined as one as God ordained it. It is not by your desire, although you planned it, but it is not your ultimate plan at all because it was God who made everything work.
I promise you my heart and my every existence, my unwavering commitment in every dimension. I love you always and forever, mahal.
These are His words. At last, I am now complete. I have found my missing rib.
Bodega lang.
Hala, nakapunta na siya.
Hoy, hindi pa rin.
Happiness hit her like a train on a track.
Ganon. Ang kabuhayan, showcase! Pera o bayo! Hey! Pera o bayo!
Still
Sampa ako dito. Ganon na lang.
Bala ko sana umpisahan tong wedding vows ko na para sa'yo is kwento ko sana yung buong pagkikinder ko pa sana. Simulan ko sana sa pagkikinder kaso naisip ko marami pa kailangan gawin eh.
every bubble she
Hey! 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 Kailangan na tayo! Pera derecha!
The dog days are over. The dog.
So, mahal ko, finally na agad, tinatapos ko na Joke lang, totoo na talaga to, magiging Samora ka na din.
Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your children.
3, 4, 5. I love you, Jesselie!
You can't carry it with you if you want to survive. The dog days are over. The dog days are done. Can you hear the horses? 'Cause you're like
It's a party in the USA! Yeah!
I will forever love you, Jessa. I will forever love you, Jessa 2. I will love you forever, Jessa 3. I will love you forever, Jessa 4. I will love you forever, Jessa 5.
Kasi ang buhay ko ngayon ay hindi na sa akin lamang, meron na akong kasama at kausap at sa paggawa ng mga desisyon, meron na akong kasamang mag-isip.
Cheers!
What a life, it's moving so fast already. A carousel spinning so fast but steady. Take my hand, I'm keeping yours locked in. Of everything we could get lost in, I just wanna lose myself in. So here we go.
Pasok pa. An? Bakit sa? Anong bagong issue lang?
Which way we're heading. Scrapbooks and pictures in hallways. They're the cover, not the whole story. Life is in the pages of today. Yeah, these are the good days.
Mahal ko, sa'yo na ako today. But yung money ko, ni. I love you.
These are the good days now.
I promise to offer our life up to God, and with Him being the center of this marriage, we are ready to face challenges together.
These are the good days now. You could spend your whole life waiting, aching.
I commit to be the partner in life you deserve. I am beyond lucky and proud na dedicated and pretty nurse yung wife ko. I love you over the altitude na kayang ilipad ng feelings ko for you.